good name. And I can stand tall anywhere. Whoever talk to me, I will listen to you. And I will reply you. Anybody. Wọ́n ti gbà tí àwọn èèyàn bú Ọbásanjọ́ pé Nàìjíríà jágàjágà. Wọ́n ní bàbá ènìyàn jágàjágà. Then there was a time tó ń sọ pure water lu mọ́tò Ọbásanjọ́ ní Sango Abọ́ta. Òun náà sáré jáde òun pure water sọ padà sẹ́yìn yẹn. So bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Kò bad.
Baba, as you were growing up, was there any revelation or prophecy that states that you will end up as a prophet or a church worker, a worker of God? And how has this come about in your way?
Thank you. Àwọn kíní kan wà tá a máa fi kóra wa lọ́bẹ̀ jẹ. Kò sẹ́nibọ́dì tó ń ṣe èèyàn Ọlọ́run o. Kò sẹ́ni tó ń ṣe èèyàn ìṣòro. Ojú tó lé mọ bàbá ẹ̀ lọ́yọ̀ọ́. Ó wá dé láti Mẹ́kà ń sọ daṣọ borí ó dẹ̀ fi eyín sí. Ó wá dẹrù ru ara ẹ̀ ó lóun.
Dáàdi alóore lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ sọ alóore.
Alóore
ni.
Ó lóun chief imam nígbà tó lọ Saudi tó dé ní ó lọ part of Africa ní ló padà ló fẹ́ gíà ọkàn yọra ẹ̀ lẹ́nu. Ṣé rí gbogbo wa ní òṣòwò ògún gbogbo wa lolúwa ránṣẹ́. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé ẹni tó dé ìgò ẹni tó fọn atẹ́gùn sínú bàálù kò lè wọnú bàálù, ẹni tó dé ìgò coke kò lè wọnú ìgò coke. Inú ayé yìí ìfẹ́ lọ́lọ́run fi gbé kalẹ̀, then ká rí ara wa bí ènìyàn gidi lolúwa fi gbé kalẹ̀. But tí ìwọ ò bá play role tiẹ̀ ló di pé a fi rẹ́ nìkan, à ń bẹ́ nìkan jà, à ń bẹ́ nìkan sọ̀rọ̀, à ń bẹ́ nìkan bínú. So gẹ́gẹ́ bí question tó sọ sà, mi ò rí anything tí ó stop mi lórí láti kékeré ni mo ti mọ̀ pé ẹni tó bá ti fúrúgbìn ó máa ká, ẹni tó bá ti ṣe rere á jẹ́ tiẹ̀, ẹni tí ò bá ti kọjá ayé ẹ̀ wọ́n ní lè rí kúgbẹ́nu sọ̀hún. So mo ti mọ̀ láti kékeré pé màá ṣiṣẹ́ Olúwa because I'm a dreamer. I dream a lot and I see vision. And nǹkan tó jẹ́ kí n tètè mọ̀ àwọn àgbàlagbà tó wà nínú family wa àti ibi tí mo ti dàgbà wọ́n á gbé draft sílẹ̀, wọ́n á gbé lúdò lẹ̀ pé káwá máa ta. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe lúdò yẹn ni wọ́n torí ẹ̀ pè mí. So tó bá ti ta bá ta lúdò nǹkan tí ọmọ borí owó fẹ́ ṣe ajásí onígbà o ajásí ọmọ borí owó nígbà fájásí bàbá ẹ máa ta lúdò yín jàre àrùn ọmọ orí owó rádàrá wo ni ọmọ borí owó ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan ajásí ló ní ìjókòó yẹn. Wọ́n tó lè ní òjò tó fẹ́ rọ̀ lọ́la mọ̀ òjò rọ̀ lọ́la òjò kankan rọ̀ lọ́la nǹkan báyìí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀. So not knowing pé àwọn yẹn ń nò tiẹ̀ wọ́n nò tiẹ̀ dáhùn wọ́n dẹ̀ fi ṣe live fún wọn. Ìgbà ní ẹlòmíràn Marcus dá wa fẹ́ lọ ta draft zomato ní mọ́mí máa ní ó yà lójú kó àwọn ẹgbẹ́ bàbá ẹ̀ ló ń bá ta draft káàkiri. So mo ti mọ̀ láti ilẹ̀ lẹ́yìn àtìgbà tí mo ti ń sin pẹ́pẹ́ yẹn tí n bá ti kí pẹ́pẹ́ yẹn mímì ìmí ayé 10 ìmí ayé 9 ìmí ayé 12 tó bá ti wáyé yìí tán apá 11 apá 10 tó bá di lálẹ́ màá mú gi màá lọ máa fi kọ́lẹ́ẹ̀tì wọn jọ. So wọ́n á wá tò tẹ̀léra wọn lọ màá dúró sẹ́yìn. So ẹ̀mí yẹn wá sọ pé àbí darandaran mo fẹ́ ṣe bíi ti Buhari àbí bíi Boko Haram àbí kíní wọn but níbọn táìmì ta lè máa gbé kiri. Buhari àti Abdulsalam àtàwọn tó ṣẹ̀dé yìí ló pín ìbọn lé wọn lọ́gbọ̀n ẹ̀yìn gbé kí ilẹ̀ ẹ̀ máa pa àwọn Yorùbá wọn yìí kẹ̀ máa lé wọn kiri. Tẹ́ bá ti ń dà wọ́n láàmú wọ́n lè máa ta aṣọ ilẹ̀ Haúsá wọ́n lè máa ta tòmátò aláwùsá wọ́n lè máa ta gbogbo ẹ̀. Tó dàbẹ̀ ni pé tó ń bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe fáàmù tírélà wa ò ní lè wá sí mile 12 mọ́, tírélà wa ò ní lè gbóúnjẹ wá sísàlẹ̀ mọ́, iná fi dà wá. Wọn ò ní nǹkan míì nǹkan tó ń torí ẹ̀ ṣe nìyí torí wọ́n ń fọ́lò gbogbo interview tí mo ń ṣe lórí pé ẹ má jẹ́ ká jẹ túmọ̀lá mọ́. Mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 1999. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká gba iṣu tó wá láti anywhere, ẹ má jẹ́ ká gba tòmátò wọn a lè gbé fúnra wa bí wàhálà ṣe dé tí àwùjọ ògbé náà dẹ̀ try but wọ́n ní try ẹ̀ tó múlẹ̀ àwùjọ ògbé kúrò mẹ́ because it's one of the best agricultural minister tatini in the life history of Nigeria. And then the other man, the term David West, was the best refined, articulate petroleum minister. But Babangida never allowed him to exist. Likewise, Obasanjo, never allow Audu to do the best for Nigeria. Thank you, sir.
Daddy.
I knew I'm going to be working in the vineyard. But I never knew the denomination where I'm going to work before meeting myself here in Celestial Church.
Thank you, Baba.
Yes, sir.
This is a brilliant expositions, and I appreciate you so much. Has there been any challenges or encounter, positive or negative, in the last 30 years of your evangelism and the work of God in the vineyard?
Yeah, I don't know. Mi ò mọ bí mo ṣe fẹ́ dáhùn òyìnbó èyí wọnú ara wọn ó dàbí ìkẹ́pọ̀ tẹ́rí encounter. Only neither will I leave you, neither will I forsake you. Then know for sure practically that there is nothing a man can do for you. So automatically, Isaiah 43, 1-5, Isaiah 57, 16, 17, 18. Then when you look at what he said in the book of Matthew 23, from verse 18, he said a lot of things. So I am in him, it's in me. So automatically, I don't have any tribulation. The only little time we have was last 2 years, or 2020 or 21, when somebody came here to buy a land. Madam Aketonde sold the land for Timilayi. Then when he sold the land for somebody, and I said for you, no, for people not to cheat you or something. I didn't know Madam Aketonde too much. Just newly joined the church, and even has not joined fully. Then I was doing launching. I said you can bring your product to the launching and show people what you have to sell for people. There are a lot of land speculators, companies that are selling land everywhere in Nigeria. So he brought that here. So when he brought it, a lot of people bought land then. So then Timilayi bought his own land. Timilayi. You didn't know this woman very well, and I didn't know where she was living. And for us to part with 65 million, it will be difficult. So don't put me to trouble. Channel the money through my UB account. So then I will pay the woman twice, and which I did. So when they now pay for the land and everything, the boy came in here. Even the trust he has in me, people trust me a lot. He said that I should put my address on the paper. I saw you the receipt. It was my address, church address here. That was on the paper. Because we were thinking the person would travel. If he traveled and come back after 5 years or 6 years, I will still be holding the land for. So when he now comes back, he can sell those plans and he can become a real estate owner. So that was our plan, But when he now boomerang, when he was shouting everywhere, complaining, that was why I was quite because I didn't have it at the back of my mind for one day to cheat the boy or to cheat the woman. When the woman collected the money, and with my own money, up goes to 90 million. I have about 30 million here. And he now said, the woman dashed the church some land. And even till now, I've never asked the woman, where's the land? I'm not in a hurry over this. I may even not ask. Let my 30 million just go. The receipt is there. So, tobacco, in a waste of time, in a waste of money, I was said of minute to you, I was said on Nico Estate. I was said gave me a complete building. Then after some 3 weeks, Daddy, Baba don't wait. You fell in Nico Estate. Money no, sir. I about is up no fair. You let off me like by article everywhere. You liquor. At the Badagri, you need dear. Only one year shaking up a yellow. Once the mountain morning, then you want to get while I mean. Money, I shall want the Sheraton Hotel. Only Baba, I won't bring low lele here. I'll bring local be you. She might have probably no fish. One fish, I'll let you Nita Buhari, Nita Tinubu, Nita Matiku, Nita. So, Emi o de need some number to you. I'm more on lower than paying on Bajo. If not, you window. I'm a lolly. In continuing about in here, could if you know. So, Bosch party with one way. Good news and bad news will only last for 30 days. Then go on blogger to sell back with everything. No one be it about anything. One be Baba and come up on be you. Quagbo Allah, you took. You took check was in the to Lossy Bank. More print book document. mo send ẹ̀ sí ọjọ́ tó wọ ẹ̀ wọ àkáǹtì mi ọjọ́ tó wọ ẹ̀ dọ́dọ̀ Akíntàndé ọjọ́ tó wọ ẹ̀ ti ṣe rìn ìyẹn làwọn èèyàn bọ̀ téèyàn bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí lọ tí ò bá ní wàhálà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ìyẹn ló sọ nínú John 15 verse 14 15 16 17 18 ó ní tí ẹ bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ mi tí wọ́n bá bà mí lórúkọ jẹ́ kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ mi lẹ̀ ṣe so ó ti tán. Then when you look at John 8 from 4 to 10 ó nígbà tí mo mú obìnrin yẹn wá Jésù kan béèrè question pé obìnrin tẹ ló ṣàgbèrè yìí ọkùnrin tó wà lórí ẹ̀dá.
wọ́n sì wí fún pé olùkọ́ni a mú obìnrin yìí
nínú panṣágà
nínú ṣíṣe pàápàá ǹjẹ́ nínú òfin Mósè pàṣẹ fún wa láti sọ irú àwọn níbẹ̀ ní òkúta pa ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ àti wí èyí ni wọ́n wí láti dán wò kí wọn kí ó bá lè rí ohun láti fi sùn ṣùgbọ́n Jésù bẹ̀rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ó fi ìka rẹ̀ sí ilẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí wọ́n bí léèrè síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ ó gbé ara rẹ̀ sókè ó wí pé ẹni tí
ò bá ti ṣe irú ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ kó sọ lókùtà kan sọ. So try period yẹn wá ọdẹ lọ́bẹ̀ so bàtọ́ máa di lálẹ́ tí Jésù ń kọjá bọ̀ wá bèrè pé obìnrin àwọn tó fi ẹ̀sùn dá
obìnrin yìí àwọn dà
àwọn olùfisùn ẹ̀ dà.
kò sí ẹnìkan tí ó dá ọ lẹ́bi ó wí pé kò sí ẹnìkan Olúwa Jésù wí fún pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èmi kò dá ẹ lẹ́bi máa lọ láti sísìn lọ má ṣe dẹ́ṣẹ̀ mọ́.
Brilliant.
bàbá ní gbogbo ìgbà tí